la Sakya goma chikyu chuna gawala Sanki Sakya gumpe nang la Sakya goma chikyu chuna gawala Soho yari lo lama jevasho Soho yari lo bela jevasho Sanki Sakya gumpe nang la Sakya goma chikyu chuna gawala Soho yari lo lama jevasho Soho yari lo bela jevasho Ran yu kawa ganchi yu chonsu Sakya goma nyudu jevasho Ran yu kawa ganchi yu chonsu Sakya goma nyudu jevasho Sanki Sakya gumpe nang la Sakya goma chikyu chuna gawala Sanki Sakya gumpe nang la Sakya goma chikyu chuna gawala Soho yari lo lama jevasho Soho yari lo bela jevasho Sanki Sakya gumpe nang la Sakya goma chikyu chuna gawala Soho yari lo lama jevasho Soho yari lo bela jevasho Ran yu kawa ganchi yu chonsu Sakya goma nyudu jevasho Ran yu kawa ganchi yu chonsu Sakya goma nyudu jevasho
Hashi Delay, good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of Sakya Trichen Dargye Ling, Minnesota Sakya Center, we'd like to send our sincere welcome to Your Holiness, Sakya Trichen, Your Holiness 42nd Sakya Trichen. Also, we have Chokyi Chichen Rinpoche, the 27th, Chokyi Chichen Rinpoche's first visit to Minnesota. And we also have special guests from the representative of the Tibetan Parliament, Khenpo Gat Tering, some Teflon officers, Rinpoches, Khenpos, Lamas, and Dharma friends. We are very grateful Holiness accept the request to give the long knife Namgyalma initiation today. Holiness is going to do some preparation, and we are going to have some chant leader leading some prayers. And to let everyone know, we have also a room in the back. If kids are a little bit restless, parents can bring them to that room. The sounds from this room also goes to that room, so they will also receive the blessings and hear every word Holiness says. Thank you very much.
장요무의 나로 상가고만 트친 도지지 춘보 그 상원들이 더베비 총마라 참제 자시들의 시에 근데 사자 주소된 다제링게 제다 손대 휴바인 상가고만 트친 림보치라 근데 침메체라 난점하게요 진노지 손대 휴바나지 대린 근거서 패배가로 드나 고츠도 바래 디톨 패배 상가고마 천지 예치니바 레나바자는 뭐지 초동 되는 차비 초와 조제 트치는 뭐지 저라니 돈바 른치더럽 되는 버모모 슌트 캠보 가다체라 되는 주고동 캠보 누초 용라 셴발레소다 다페발라 투지 치에시에 되는 고가 고간디 주네 마저 가두이나 자예소베 름보치 페오디가 페지시와 가두이나 페바당 되는 추소라 뭐휴 주스네 자수 농게나바치 되는 대리 안제군데 가서 또 동롱기 루바시니 초마라 고간디 주네 투지 치에시에 되는 타든도 신노 공사 하면한데 자용보추 당 상가고마 트친 도지 초친보 나니 그치 샤베된 바동 투지 연ደ 말바 손진도 바당 되는 장린디니 지 내무 마트는 아니듯이네 조된 대시발라 슈트비게 면도 이케지 투지체
다야 다른양자 대 미니소타를 리플레치 나정야만네다 초도 탐지기 저와용 경기 미망고치 단냠도 투야지 중국의 구스라 가부중 이는 고급디 주네 참말로래 닝네 자신 제외 참지다 제외 더네 다시 될수 있어야 다른데 다 현재 주도 넘버게 말하고 제나 제아체 두스레 인텔야 담봉원도 좋아데 그런 근주기 버저고야데 캐스무시부 민바레 테카르지고르 슬라바이나 에네 나가라 타메바신데 심제나 타메바레 타메베 심제레르니 체네 인란자는 지파마마 주버지냐 메바인디자네 테3제 둥엘에 짜야다 대화를 거야 드르기 체도 있는 남바 3제 좀 저버산지 유코만데 진내장 더버자 톰나 지마로 냠베 삼바 통통바 계고바 케스무 임바레 된제 저버산지 유코만데 더버 제외래도 in the comes Paveta Jena to the number Jamahagu Jena Shuche, then the Sungberg, then Tamzi da Tomba Tamju Sushin to Sungi in Samba. Then Dagana Kunju Gijimba Yinaya, then Lunga Yisum Cuba the Jever Kone, in Shuga Kesamba Yimbare. And then the Kazda Luguru Shiva Inata. To the number Jam Toba says, Nyasjiri Tajiva Tamjeta, Habartuya, Nyandro Nyasong and Nasu Jiva Chaya Chetu, so to the number Jam Toba, Tijagan, the Tamatang, the Zedari Jale Namja Shunga, Taloba Sam Jimmy Shunga Imbere, Hongi Shanga and the Matar Najit, Tenema Jimbe June, Puraya, Pari lozawa rinjen trabwa ngaranjo pande sajya basayati kadijire slabayina ene lozawa chimbo shigi shuju zinghendi ene sajya bayin sunguyare lozawa chimbo shibudu kadijire slabayina ene pari lozawa rinjen trabwa mal lozawa lojo trabwa ene domi lozawa shakya ishe ene lozawa rinjen sangboche odadiyedi Yimbari. In then the comes for the Lozawa, Parilozawa, Rinjan Tangwa, and Consaje Dansa, Niba de Rela, and the Sajalaya, Mozart and Shisene, Mozart and Shiore, Tina and the Chibi, and the Lozawa Rinjan Tangwa, the Parilozawa Rinjan Tambe, Shangba Nang, Namgyalma Lagan, and Tina de Sage. Namgyalma chuden chimbaji yore di nare sungshu mixed de zuwa naji khanda di shangbe kapsu ene sirbaji gi chogun tamje di kap in last over then sina shaji ngotsawe te mamu chunga imbare tinje gembe saje ba zoge tene ta jir saje dinane anju ta lagan chimo gita Tudam zo nayaji Namgyalma de Rediore, Namgyalma Choga, Gindumba Jubdanji, Nimatagwa, Choga Torangabu, Namgyalma Parmasene, and then Tuxila Sunguyore. Tuxende, the water tension and Georgi Namgyalma, they just Kidujumba Mamburg to the Namgyalma, Idam Gisla Zene. And to Kansa to the Nimbu Zene, then Javatin Sanu Mitavachung, Harvard, then the Morjan Dorjisang, Kunga Sangbo, Saye Shasang singing Itula Khan, the Shubi Kapsu, and the Torah, Dungi Nagalaya, to the number Jama, Slazo Horda Jevigits, Mursum the Shas sing there, then the Pamo Kansi singing, Tuba Nyadache. The Jazum Nanga Imbare, or Tene Soachi, and the Bamu Kansi, the Pemas, the Takip Shimbuchunte, or to send Marimbata, the Jumita, Shanda Mandawaji, Mized Redi Ore, and the Kanda Tadi, Jena Shuala, in Same Kasulta, so Gulong Gunju Rimbasata, and the Chima Rimbas and Yungure. And that Peke Messing to the young engineer to do Shuyin. So today I'm very happy to be back here in Minnesota. There are many people to whom I have a very close dharmic connections. So I take this opportunity to extend my very warm greetings and best wishes to everybody. And and so today I'm giving the initiation of Goddess Vijaya. The Goddess Vijaya initiation is very special because it is this root text, the original Tantra is specifically to purify all the negative deeds, and particularly the karmas that will cause to be born in the lower realms. And in India, the one who explained this is called Jatari. Jatari is the great master who first explained this. And then later it brought to Tibet by Parilotawa Rinchen Thakpa, the great translator. We Sakyapas are considered as the lineage holder of the 4 great translators. They are Parilotawa Rinchen Thakpa, Marlotawa Lojo Thakpa, Romilotawa Sakya Ishe, Lotawa Rinchen Sangpo, the 4 great translators. And this is Parilotawa, who is also the throne holder of the Sakya school. He is the second throne holder. He is also the spiritual master for Sachin Kunga Nyingbo. He is a very great master. He built, in Sakya, there are 4 wondrous shrines. And one of them is Goddess Vijaya temple, which was built by the Parilotawa Rinchen Thakpa. And it is a very special temple with the stupas. Inside there's a stupa of Goddess Vijaya along with all the deities. And then when this temple was built, the yellow lights covered the whole area, etc. There are many, many very wonderful signs appeared when the temple was built. Since then, all of the masters, especially in the great temple of Sakya, their main practice, one of the main practice is Goddess Vijaya. And about 10 monks, every day they do the Goddess Vijaya puja, early in the morning, before the sunrise, every day. And since then, many masters practice as their main deity. And during the Ngorchen Dorjichang, Kunga Sangpo, when he was staying in a temple called Shaksang, and there in the early morning, in the dawn, Goddess Vijaya, along with all the deities, appeared. And then he composed a praise called Pamukhansi. It's a very famous Goddess Vijaya praise. And since then it's been continued now up until now, and it's considered as very important, and especially to prolong our lives. So now to receive this initiation, the very first thing you require is to create the right motivation for the benefit of all sentient beings as wide as space. One must attain the full enlightenment. And in order to attain enlightenment, that you are receiving this profound initiation. And after receiving this initiation, that one will diligently practice on samayas and vows that described during this initiation. And then also conduct, the right conduct, physically sitting in respectful form, verbally in silence, and mentally in concentrating on each and every word of the teachings. And the first thing you do is, after creating the right motivation, to make the mental offerings and repeating the request lines. And now is the sevenfold prayer. This is very important because through this you receive the refuge vow, and through this also you receive the bodhisattva vow. So you visualize the Guru in the form of Goddess Vijaya along with the retinue deities and all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas in front of this yourself with all the sentient beings of the 6 realms. And the sevenfold prayer, the number one is to confess all the negative deeds that one have done with the full remorse. And second is to rejoice all the virtuous deeds, starting from the Buddhas up to ordinary person, rejoicing. Third is to hold the absolute bodhicitta. Absolute bodhicitta means ultimate truth, ultimate nature of all phenomena. Just as Buddhas have meditated in God realization, I also at this time promise to meditate and realize the truth, absolute truth. Fourth is to take refuge in the Buddha, Dharma, Sangha. Fifth one is wishing enlightenment mind, which means I must attain the full Buddhahood for the benefit of all sentient beings. And sixth is the entering bodhicitta, which means in order to attain enlightenment that you have resolved to follow the vast and great bodhisattva activities. And seventh is dedication. By doing this, the enormous amount of merit that we have obtained through the power of these merits, may I attain the enlightenment for the benefit of all sentient beings. So with these in mind, that you repeat after me the sevenfold prayer. All sentient beings, and light returns, and then appears a stupa. Goddess Vijaya is sitting inside the stupa with the jewel throne, lotus seat, and 3 round seats. And then on this moon disk, down on this the vase, the main body of the stupa, inside, and then also the canopies with the flower garlands, and then inside of this another lotus, and broom, out of broom appears yourself in the Goddess Vijaya, who is in the white color with the 3 faces and 8 arms. Main face is white, right side is yellow, left side is blue with a slightly wrathful form. Left one is slightly wrathful form. Each face has 3 eyes. First right hand hold the Vishwa Vajra, the cross Vajra in the heart. Second right hand holds on the lotus Buddha Amitabha. Third right hand holds the arrow. For the right hand is excellent giving mudra, gesture. First left hand holds the lasso with the threatening gesture, threatening mudra, Vajra lasso. And second left hand holds the bow. In the right hand holds the arrow, and left hand holds the bow. And third left hand is the refuge-giving mudra, and for the left hand holds in the meditation posture holds the vase which is filled with the nectar, sitting in Vajrasana position, adorned with jewel ornaments and garments. On the right side has the Avalokiteshvara. Left side has the Vajrapani. Both are in a kind of peaceful form, standing with the jewel ornaments. Then on the 4 directions are the 4 wrathful deities. On the east, Achala holding a sword. On the south, Takiraja holding a hook. And the back or the west or the back of the stupa has the Niladendra holding a stick, and the left side has the Mahabala holding a trident. All these four wrathful deities are in wrathful form, with the hairs going up and with the tiger skin as a skirt, and sitting in sun disk. Then above in the sky, the two Devaputras, the sons of the gods, pouring nectar over the goddess Vijaya. And then Gurus had many largest issues, and all the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas stem from their heart. Many goddess Vijaya stupa along with the deities came from every direction and absorbed to you, so that you receive all the blessings. So now you should do this visualization. Complete the mind blessings. So with this we completed the whole initiation, the body, voice and mind. And the main samaya for this is to hold triple gem, because you have received the refuge vow, so you hold triple gem as your protector, your guardians, and your refuge. Whatever happens in your life, good or bad or success or failures or whatever happens, you always seek the guardians and blessings of the triple gem, Buddha, Dharma, Sangha. And then after receiving the Bodhisattva vow has many rules. But then at the same time, the Buddha has very skillfully the different rules for different individuals. Those who are capable, who can keep many rules, there are many rules. Those who cannot keep many rules, there are less rules. So the Buddha is giving for the kings, the queens, the kings and queens, they are very busy. They have a lot of activities, so they cannot keep many rules. So the Buddha said you can have only one rule, and that is whether you are sleeping or standing or sitting or going or eating or whatever you do, you should remember one thing, and that is I must attain the Buddhahood for the benefit of all sentient beings. So if you have this, then that is the main rule of the Bodhisattva. So that is the main that everybody should try to remember. Gyādruvya, Divapaya, Simjala Kantutu Giten, Rovachia. So the Tabakam Sina, Niju Dombastin, Kasur, Neva Misia Song, Sanju Sembela, the Tito, Neva Misi Tola, Ya Kantutu Gi, Simjala, Penduga, somebody. Then they do Kanda, and that's the Chevalaya, into Simgi Dugu. Sanjay Jumden, the Sabbath and Jachi Vishugi loves a mambo song, but the Tamalo, Simgi Duyar said to somebody. Simgi Maduna, and showing Mambo Che, Devina Shra Pengium, Simgi Duaina, Jachimbo Mashimba in the Simgi Tutuina, and the sugar loves a tonne, Sim the Manda, Nema, Chada, Ravel on the Kungan the Yiti, to Chada Chung Draji. Shumbaina, that day in the church when that on the church Panda Yunguya, church Nibatunguya. They in this and then Samelo, that got to the Divapaya today to the Simju Sambachi word, pay Casember, Rangulula Pelon, Shella never magic, Rangaya, Lugi Tunga, Semgi Tunga, the Chuna, and the Kandegi, Masova Giore. Then I see Simpson the Doctor Samara, Jiguya, right? They into the Susan Jigo, they were doing Masama Simpson Tamje, 심지어 탐지는 아주 개왕까지 개는 거요. 근데 심지어 탐지는 아주 파마를 돼요. 심지어 탐지 파마를 돼요. 근데 이제 심지어 탐지 아주를 다다 늦는 세월 진행이 다운 자고 탐지 그냥 동거를 세버이나 진생이 파마샤다 레디요. 대인들자는 대jel이야 팬들 주고 하지 계신 것이 버리 심지어 심지 상부 치고 디터는야 지다소스 간던 게좀 가르쳐도 제도한테 계신 분들 가는데 답을 표면조다 미세 gen지요 때 가르치나 별 두모만 미쳐다 리중세데 백게 전부르디요 내가 아주 표바임비 좀 제지고 말해 전부를 용조를 가인스나 샘제 소자 정부 천재네 미다 라이퍼 참말로 디지 등에 미등이 샤다르와 디지 뭐네 두고나 삼로 주었다고 삼로 주었다야 안 추가 랍자 타는 마도 세카게 메세 갑잡 드세네 조조야 야마레 디지 추가 랍자 타는 조고 추가 나네자 어찌단 전부리나 슈르 망부여 슈르 상만메 야고레 슈르 상메 밀레 펜토고요레 이제 야고레 디네 가란도 또 상이 좀 된데 송비 슈디 현다 만다와 대바지고 많이 먹는 것도 리그베트하는 주디요 버지 이제 인도산 가란도 벽이 질 넘버 상게 비슈도 라버던다 벽이 난데 슈루 다 반나는 자로 소버자가기 주라 침보든데 말 기베디 단다 벽이 난데 슈루디 샹다 말아 자신부 차대요 될 균전에 때에 드린 가자 잠불리 신도 가서 칸네 베베 벽이 난데야 대바다 도난다 nemshipsinge nire sindu simbel duguyor. Te kan yo gözde ton siyor ma daga siyor marwa. Nganzu da sendane jab jo magro. Nganzu rang pame tine ma yo dengge. Ene da 추유 자스무 시우데 다 인간도 인지미 심과 때 계심을 심하든다 누구랑라네 셔르다고 자기요 근데 인도 대인데 심야래야 은 자와도 등가 벽에 비리 계심을 시우래디요 벽에 비리 마심이나 자체서 쇼다리 쇼세야디 용투야 자네 요말 근데 지결에 댕연조다 시슈겐데 전부 시부지 요바 인자 마시다 당야마다 말다 바 삼주 라브르다 추세네 카야 요도 유사레디 이나 뒤저시라 뉴뉴르 뒤저 마가디다 라브르를 신 드레세제 간다 시슈게 전부 시부지 요바인데 자네디 원도 마드랑안 페바 인데 슈라 인지 민지 벽에 뷰이 샴바샤디 케스무시라르디요 파마즈 장방안 피미티 장방 좀베갑을 미저 신부 좀 값이 이내에 소소 남장바 유비 값이 이내에 인지 민지 벽에 뷰이 가서를 로야다 벽에 잡아 뜻백해 숨으시라지 뜻미세 수도 조선동 거야다 갈래제 거야 해요 지단께서 해야 돼 인지 민지 벽에 돌으셔야 근데 다가는 지금 미저 좀 값이 이내에 그래서 벽에 돌으셔야 이게 내 뷰이 털지야 벽에다 뷰이 아주 펴가지고 맞는 시다수 지금 말아 아주 펴가지고 이제는 전부리 난 남신 벽에 뷰이 있어야 돼 내가 사야게 년가요 근데 인지자는 상면 벽에다 뷰이 더나 전부시고 백해진 분도 뒤돌에 있는 안 참말로 참부시고 백해진 분 단대가 내가 뒤다 붙일 차고야 금제야 쪼가 표 소소롱바 여백갑래야 주민당구 맞춤에 총재 진짜기 잼배 투쇼 침부 친구래 다다 제베 내가 수 있네 다 뒤가 하장 년단제 야도마도 산점으로 진짜지 갑래야다 참말로 아주 표 초가숨 콘스통은 참말로 삼바다 두바 깨다 이게 검시 창만 찍발이 돼요. 근데 내가 아주 창만 찍산데 삼로 땅지 창만 tum부 치고 빼마시 계신 것도 또 시주 담이 자름식 가름 살진 자초 mambunang yore dige di inin anjang yebardu da tin 가자 있는 양내 장우를 중고 자자야다 에너지 가서래 송주다 가로도 니리니리 가는 날 정말 람사 잘 좋아요. 근데 전주 이미지 년세 근데 양내 양도 년내 랑그 중앙 유승 자주에 탐지 여러분이 가다 팀바지 연구 위원회 야 근데 다제세 연구 위원회 있나 가고 연구 매월 있나 가리 연구 매월 있나 때 영향을 탑시 셔베 있나 라메가 주변을 하가지기 되네 대요아 말이 하소래 최시야 말이 라메가 주변을 하가지기 샤덴시야 요 말이 today in the summer of two Jabatan now then that day
Yonso Damba Wanje Serege Sashi O Benza Rege Chi Chare Koroyuk Gorwe Weso Re Gambo Rera Shara Lembambo Lo Zambo Le No Palang Jue Chan Jami Nien Le Dan Le Fang Ayam Dang Ayam She Yoden Dan Lam Jo Jo Jami Nien Dan Jami Nien Gin Da Rembo Che Re Wam Basam Ge Shen De Jo Yen Ba Ma Men Ba Yen Lon Do Kolo Rinpoche, Norbo Rinpoche, Zumo Rinpoche, Limbo Rinpoche, Lambo Rinpoche, Dajo Rinpoche, Mabe Rinpoche, Dere Chenpo Ye Bomba, Gemba Ma, Chenwa Ma, Lu Ma, Kara Ma, Dube Ma, Medo Ma, Marme Ma, Cheja Ma, Ye Ma, Da Wa, Rinpoche Yen Do, Jole Nambara, Gyawe, Gyalze, Lada Me Yen Banjuro, Punzo, Somba, Ma Tsawa, Memba, Din Yen, Tezo, Sange, Tamje Ge, Ngobo, Tsumbe, Bade, Lama, Tambe, Shanga, Ne, Jena, Samo, Lebra, Tombe, Gajen, Darange, Yundo, Warange, Won, Toje, Joven, Dundo, Sheso, So, Jene, Jenge, Lamdo, So.
Thank you, Your Holiness, for bestowing the Namgyalma initiation and also all the advice and blessings. Holiness is doing his conclusion, and afterwards, Holiness will leave first, but His Holiness 42nd Sakya Trichen and also Sakya Trichen Rinpoche, the 27th Sakya Trichen Rinpoche, will give everyone blessings, so everybody will have a chance to come up to the stage to make kata offerings, receive blessings. And we'd like to request everybody to go row by row, so everybody will have a chance. We'll let the sponsors in the first rows and then the VIP sections, so row by row, to come up to make kata offerings and to receive blessings. Thank you all for coming to receive this precious initiations from His Holiness. So thank you very much. And also all these flowers that has received blessings will be available for if you would like to purchase them and bring home, and they will be moved to the VIP table, and then you can go there to purchase these blessed flowers. Thank you.
Sakya gompe nangla sakya goma chikyu chuna gawala Sanki sakya gompe nangla sakya goma chikyu chuna gawala Soho yari lo lama jevasho Soho yari lo bela jevasho Sanki sakya gompe nangla sakya goma chikyu chuna gawala Soho yari lo lama jevasho Soho yari lo bela jevasho Ran yu kawa ganche yu chonsu Sakya goma nyudo jevasho Ran yu kawa ganche yu chonsu Sakya goma nyudo jevasho